Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to add a jQuery date picker to a form field. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Suppose we have a form field where we want to display a calendar so the user can select a date. To do this, we first need to add an ID to the element where we want to apply the date picker. Then we use require to import jQuery and the jQuery UI module Datepicker. Now, to apply the date picker to the element with the ID date input, all we need to do is call the date picker by passing the object with a configuration. These configurations include the date format, which defines in what order the date picker should display the date in the field after selection. With the Show Button panel configuration, it will display some predefined buttons like the Today button or Cancel button. We can also enable the Change Month or Change Year options. After doing this, all we need to do is reload the page. And now, when we click on this field, a calendar will appear. Here we are getting the current date. If we want to change the month, we can do it from here. And if we want to change the year, we can change it like this. Now, if we want to switch to today's date, we can simply click on the Today button. Now, suppose you want to disable some of these dates. How can we do that? Let's check it out. To disable specific dates in the calendar, we need to add the Before Show Day configuration. With this configuration, we can pass false for the dates that we want to disable. After adding this code, all we need to do is reload the page. Now, when we click on this field and go to the year 2027, which we configured for disabled dates, then select the month of January, as you can see, the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd dates are disabled, and we cannot select them. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.